What I love most about being an interior designer is that I get to be inspired by my clients, by art, architecture, travel, and I get to create beautiful spaces for people to enjoy. Hi, I'm interior designer Sasha Bikoff, and welcome to my New York City home. In general, my personal style is Marie Antoinette at Studio 54. So let me show you what I did. As you enter, we walk into an open floor plan. I wanted it to feel really inviting, really cozy, and really eclectic. Every room needs a starting point, and for me, it was the wallpaper. I chose a 16th century French Braquenie wallpaper because I loved how it felt French countryside, and I loved the charm of it. Here in the living area, I paired a very old, antique Persian Tabriz rug with a 1960s French space-age Pierre Paulin ribbon chair. It adds a sense of modernity and fun. The coffee table is a contemporary piece from Glass Italia, but the best part about it is that it's a spectrum of rainbow colors. I upholstered the sofa in a blue velvet, which really corresponds to the wallpaper, the rug, and the coffee table. The design, however, feels very traditional English with its fringe base. What I love about tile top tables is that it has this old world charm to it. The actual tiles are French and they date back from the 18th century. Around the table, I wanted something a little more simple to counterbalance with the tiles. So I placed these organic straw mid-century looking chairs. And finally, the piece de resistance, the custom banquette I designed with a camel back in the perfect pink velvet check fabric. Originally, this kitchen had zero life to it. So what I did was I lacquered the kitchen cabinetry blue and I added new rose gold hardware. And how can I forget one of my favorite pieces in the room, my little green mushroom lamp. It's my modern touch for the kitchen. But what really drew me to this space when I first saw it is the garden. Stepping out there, you feel transported to another place, almost as if you were in England. When I entertain, I like to do beautiful fresh flowers on the table, colorful glassware, and tequila iced in a bucket. Not that I could drink that right now. Overall, I wanted this entire area to feel unique, vibrant, charming, basically a reflection of me. Let's go take a look upstairs. The entire top floor is the primary suite. On the top of the stairs, I set up a vanity station because every girl needs a glam moment. The theme up here is Italian. We may not literally be in a palazzo, but I designed it to transport you to one. I went with the always classic leopard patterned wallpaper. It's warm, it's inviting, with a hint of sexiness. The headboard is made with an ivory crushed velvet, and I love the motifs of the pillows. It feels very Baroque and works lovely with the wallpaper. I decided to do scroll work cornices with beautiful long drapes that just puddle the floor. And here I went with an Italian satin trim. My husband didn't have much say in the design of our home, but I had to incorporate his family heirloom Eames chair. And it actually doesn't look half bad in the corner of the room. Right, Puff? I hope you enjoyed stepping into my world, where I've shown you new things and taken you to new places. Now, I'm gonna kick back and relax. Until next time.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.